Hey guys, welcome back. First of all, we wish you a happy new year. May the new year bring you joy, happiness, peace, and prosperity. Try to focus on your well-being too. And the key factor for your well-being is to eat well. So in this episode, we will make a classic steak in nature with mushroom sauce. So let's get to it. We season these beautiful dry-aged ribeyes with salt and ground pepper on all sides. Next, we peel the mushrooms, but you can just clean them with a damp cloth. When done, we slice them up. When ready, we peel a few cloves of garlic and our prep is done. In a hot cast iron pan, we add some butter, followed by the steaks. We cook them medium rare. We want a high heat to get a nice even crust on our steaks. We sear them on all sides, and when the steaks are almost done, we add some more butter, followed by the garlic, and we baste them. You can add thyme or rosemary if you want to. Basting is important because the delicious caramelized butter sticks to the steaks. Our steaks are done, so we take them off the heat and we let them rest. In the same pan, we add a few cloves of crushed garlic, followed by the sliced mushrooms. We season them with salt, a touch of ground pepper, and some dry white wine. We give them a good stir, and we sear the mushrooms until golden brown. Next, we add some cooking cream, and our delicious sauce is ready. It is a classic way of cooking steak, and if you didn't try it yet, then we urge you to do it. You won't be disappointed. If you like our content, then feel free to subscribe, like, or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.